How to fix a PUBG Battlegrounds a process has crashed. Go to Windows Security. Click Device Security. Click Core Isolation. And then click this Memory Integrity Off. It's already off for me, so I don't need to click it. And now that you've done that, you should restart your computer. And PUBG will work. However, if it still doesn't work for some reason, you can always go to Properties, Install Files, and click Verify Integrity of the game files. And if that doesn't work, you can always update your graphics card drivers. The way you would do that is you would type in NVIDIA graphics card update, go to the second link right here. And if you know how to manually update your drivers, you can do that here. Or if you wanted to download the drivers automatically, you can click download now here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.